Hello students, today's topic is additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. If addition of two number is 0, then the numbers are called as the additive of each other. 5's additive number is -5. 5 plus -5 equal to 0. And multiple inverse is when the multiplication of the two numbers is 1, then the numbers are called as the multiple inverse of each other. For example, 5 into 1 upon 5 equal to 1. Now, today's topic is subunit 1.4 additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Practice set 1.4 and first example is if multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 5 is added in x upon y, we get 7 upon 3. Then find the value of x and y respectively. Multiplicative inverse of 3 upon 5 is 5 upon 3 and it is added with x upon y and we get 7 upon 3. So what is the value of x and y? Put the value of x equal to 2, y equal to 0, denominator never be 0, x equal to 3, y upon 5, x equal to 2, put x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, 2 upon 3, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 denominator equal, so answer is 2 upon 3, but if you want to solve, then x upon y equal to 7 upon 3 minus plus goes to minus x upon y equal to 2 upon 3. So x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. So our answer is option number 3. But by observation we find out the value of x and y. Now second example. What is the product of the sum of these three fractions and the multiplicative inverse of 23 upon 12? First, we have to find the sum of these three fractions. 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. If we want to add three numbers at a time, then take the LCM of these three numbers 2, 3 and 4. And the LCM, least common factor, LCM may be 12. 2 6 are 12. Take the LCM 12. 2 6 are 12. So 1 into 6 in numerator. 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. 6 upon 12 plus 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12. Equal denominator. Make the equal denominator. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, 23 upon 12. Sum of these three numbers is 23 upon 12. Now we have to find the product. Product equal to sum of this number 23 upon 12 into the inverse, multiplicative inverse of this number. Multiplicative inverse of this number is 12 upon 23. So, product is 1. And our answer is option number 2. We take the multiple inverse of this number. Sum of this number and multiple inverse of this number, then product is 1. Now third example is what is the answer if 9 upon 10 is subtracted from the sum of 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse. Now first of all we have to add the numbers 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse. First step is first add the number 2 upon 5 plus its multiplicative inverse, and its multiplicative inverse is 5 upon 2. First do the addition. Denominator is not equal, so cross multiplication. 29 upon 10. This is the addition. Now 9 upon 10 is subtracted from the sum. So 29 upon 10, this answer is subtracted 9 upon 10. So answer is 20 upon 10 and 20 upon 10, that is 2. So our answer is option number 1. Now next question is, what is the sum of multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 9 and multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7? First we have to find out the multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 9, that is 9 upon 4, plus addition. Sum correct, we have to find the sum, so addition. This add to multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7, that is 7 upon 2. And these two numbers may be added. Denominator is not equal. If you want to equal the denominator, make this denominator 4. 9 upon 4 plus 7 into 2, 2 into 2. 9 upon 4 plus 14 upon 4, that is 23 upon 4. But if you want to cross multiplication, you also do that. 9 into 2, 18 plus 7 into 4, 28 upon 4 into 2, 8. 46 upon 8 divided by 2, 4, 23 upon 4. Answer is same, 23 upon 4. But this option is not given in these options. This answer cannot be seen in the option. So make it the mixed fraction. How to make it mixed fraction? 4 divided by 23. 4 5s are 20. Remainder is 3. So we can write this question 5, remainder 3 upon 4. That is answer is option number 2. Answer option number 2. Now next question is, what is the sum of if multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 is added to the sum of 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. Now first we have to add this one. First add 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7 and denominator is not equal, so by cross multiplication. 29 upon 35. Now again we have to add. We have to find the summation of multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 is added to this sum. So this sum 29 upon 35 plus addition of multiple inverse of 5 upon 8 is 8 upon 5. Again, if we take a cross multiplication, number is greater number, so we have to equal the denominator. So if we multiply 5 by 7, then denominator is 35. So if we multiply the 5 into 7, then numerator also multiply by 7. 29 upon 35 plus 5 into 7, 35, so 8 into 7. 29 upon 35 plus 56 upon 35. 35 equal denominator, add this number. 85 upon 35 divided by 5. But this option is not seen in the given option. This answer cannot be seen. So it is the fraction. So make it the mixed fraction. 7 divided by 17. 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 3. So 2 question 3 upon 7. 2 integer 3 upon 7. That is the option number 2. So answer is option number 2. Again, the division of two fraction 250 divided by 275. Divide, make it multiplication and take the multiple inverse of this number 145 upon 280. Numerator 0, denominator 0 is cut. That is divided both the terms by 10. 25 divide 25. 25 ones are 25. 25 ones are 25. Remainder is 2. Again take the 5. 25 ones are 25. 145 upon 11 into 28. Then 145 upon, multiply this, 11 8s are 88, 11 2s are 22, plus 8, 308. So our answer is 145 upon 308. Answer is option number 4. We cannot divide this number by any number, so we multiply it numerator and denominator. Now next example is in bracket 2 upon 5 plus minus 1 upon 5 into 5. First of all, we have to solve the bracket. 2 upon 5. Positive and negative. If there is two sign, positive and negative, the sign is negative. Plus minus minus. Minus 1 upon 5 into 5. Solve the bracket. Denominator is equal. So 2 minus 1, 1 upon 5 into 5. Answer is 5 ones are 5. These are both are the multiple inverse. So multiplication is 1. So answer is option number 1. Now next example is 5x square upon y square minus 4x square upon y square. First of all, we solve this bracket. Denominator is equal and there is the subtraction. So subtract the numerator, 5x square minus 4x square divided by y square into xy square upon x square. 5 minus 4, 1. 5x square minus 4x square, only 1x square is remaining. X square upon y square into y square upon x square. Numerator denominator equal, numerator denominator equal. So multiplication is 1. So answer is option number 1. It's too easy example. Now next example. In bracket mn upon lm plus minus mn upon ln plus, first solve this bracket. Denominator is equal, so denominator, write the denominator lm, and in numerator there is the plus minus, that is minus mn minus mn into. Now same as well as the denominator is equal, write the denominator, and in that addition, numerator in addition, minus m plus m, that is 0. Numerator is 0. Minus plus m cancel, that is 0 upon n, and multiplication of 0 is 0. Answer is option number 3. Now, what is the sum of additive inverse of 38 upon 35 is added to the sum of additive inverse of minus 2 upon 7 and additive inverse of minus 4 upon 5. First of all, we know the additive inverse. Additive inverse means the change of the sign. If 5's additive inverse is minus 5, 5 plus minus 5 equal to 0. If the sum of two number is 0, then they are the additive inverse of each other. So, additive inverse of this number Additive inverse of these numbers are minus 2 upon 7. Additive inverse is 2 upon 7. Only change the sign. Additive inverse of minus 4 upon 5 is 4 upon 5. First add these two numbers, additive inverse, 2 upon 7 plus 4 upon 5. Denominator is not equal, so by cross multiplication 5 2s are 10, 7 4s are 28 upon 7 5s are 35. 38 upon 35. Now again there is the sum of additive inverse of this one. Additive inverse of 38 upon 35 is minus 38 upon 35. Now we have to add this sum to the additive inverse of this. So 38 upon 35 plus minus 38 upon 35, addition of these two numbers, one is positive and other is negative, plus minus 38 upon 35 minus 38 upon 35, answer is 0. So answer is option number 1. Now, if A equal to 2, B equal to 5, then find the value of this bracket. First of all, we have to find this one. We have to solve this one. 2A plus B upon B plus 3A upon B into 1 upon 5A. Don't put the values first time. First solve this one. So first solve the bracket. Denominator is equal. So take the denominator B. 2A plus 3A, that is 5A. So in bracket 5A upon B into 1 upon 5AB. Numerator 5A into 1, 5A, and 5 into A into B square. Multiply this one, B into 5AB, 5AB square. Now cut the 5, numerator denominator equal 5, AA numerator denominator AA cut, so 1 upon B square. And now put the values. Now value of B is 5, 1 upon 5 square, that is 1 upon 25. The answer is 1 upon 25, so answer is option number 2. Observe the question. Question number 13. There is the bracket, in bracket there is the addition of the equal denominator, number of two fractions which having the equal denominator. Minus 225 upon 375 plus minus or plus minus 150 upon 375 into negative 250 upon 125. Equal denominator 375 minus 225 minus 150. Addition of two negative number is always negative. Minus, add this number. Addition is 375 upon 375 into minus 250 upon 125. Numerator denominator equal, that is cut. 125 doubles are 250. So negative minus 1 into minus 2, answer is plus 2. And our answer is option number 3. First add these two numbers. Observe the example. First of all, we solve the bracket and there is the addition of three fractions. 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. Divide sign, take the multiplication sign. So we take the reciprocal of this number 12 upon 23. Now add these three numbers. 2, 3, 4. LCM. In a multiplication table 2, 3, 4. There is the 12 number is the LCM of this one. 12. We take the 12 LCM. Make the denominator 12 of each one. 4 3s are 12, 3 4s are 12, 2 6s are 12. Now, 1 is multiplied by 6. Numerator denominator equal multiplication. 2 into 4, 3 into 3. 6 upon 12 plus 8 upon 12 plus 9 upon 12 into 12 upon 23. Addition of this number 23 upon 12 into 12 into upon 23. Numerator denominator equal, but 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. Answer is 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, that is 1. So our answer is option number 2. We take the LCM of these three numbers. I said that the multiplication of LCM is 12. What is the LCM? Least common multiple, that is 2's table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 3's table, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 4's table, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Which is the first common multiple? That is the 12. 12 is the first common multiple. So, least common multiple equal to 12. So, I take the 12 denominator of each one. If you don't want to this, then first add two numbers, 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3. First add these two numbers, then add third number. Cross multiplication, 1 into 3, 3, plus 2 into 2, 4, upon 2 into 3, 6. Seven upon 6 plus 3 upon 4. Cross multiplication, 7 4s are 28 plus 6 3s are 18 upon 24. 46 upon 24. Divide by 2. 23 upon 12 into 12 upon 23. Now cut this one, answer is 1. Solve only 2 first, addition of 2, then addition of 3 number. This is the long procedure, so I take the LCM of 3 number and at a time I add the 3 number. At a time I add the 3 number, that is 12. Denominator, make the denominator 12. 6 upon 12, 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. Next multiplication of 12 upon 23. Addition is 23 upon 12 into 12 upon 23. Answer is 1.